What's up guys, and welcome back to Street Millennial. On this channel, we cover everything related to stocks and investing. Today we're talking about Tesla. Over the past year, Tesla has been one of the most popular stocks in the market. It has consistently been in the top 100 stocks owned by Robinhood users, and its market cap has surpassed $700 billion. And those willing to stomach the volatility have been rewarded handsomely. Since the beginning of 2020, Tesla shares have increased more than 700%, and it received inclusion into the S&P 500 index. Obviously, the people who own Tesla think it will increase even further, with the next logical milestone being $1 trillion of a market cap. In 2018, Apple became the first company to reach $1 trillion market cap, a level previously thought to be impossible for any company. Since then, Microsoft, Saudi Aramco, Google's parent company Alphabet, and Amazon have all surpassed $1 trillion, and Facebook is within striking distance at $984 billion. In this video, we'll explore how likely it is for Tesla to join the trillion-dollar club, and if so, how long it will take. Keep in mind that we are not financial advisors, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Make sure to do your own research and consult with a professional before making any investment decision. The analysis is a bit complicated because Tesla isn't just one company. They have an electric vehicle business, which they are most well known for, the energy storage business, the residential solar business, the insurance business, and they plan to soon have an autonomous ride-hailing business. While they have other operations such as their supercharging stations, we'll focus on the 5 main business units mentioned earlier, as these are the most significant. We'll start off with the cars. Tesla has 4 main production vehicles, the models S, 3, X, and Y. They also have the high price point Roadster with expected deliveries in 2022, the Cybertruck expected in late 2022, and the Tesla Semi-Truck also with expected release date in 2022. Next is the energy storage business. This includes the Powerwall, which people can use to store electricity generated from home solar panels. They also make industrial-scale battery packs for utilities using renewable energy sources. Their residential solar business, which is built off their 2016 SolarCity acquisition, installs solar panels onto roofs. Tesla Insurance offers insurance coverage for Tesla vehicles. It is currently only available in California, but they plan to expand nationally and even internationally in the coming years. And finally is the proposed Robotaxi Network. Musk plans to develop a ride-hailing app where existing Tesla owners can put their cars on the network and earn passive income from autonomous ride-hailing. This is the most uncertain part of the business, but also has by far the greatest potential for upside. If Tesla can get to $50 billion of annual net profit, they should be able to justify a 20 times earnings multiple and $1 trillion valuation. We've created a sum of the parts valuation, adding together projected profits from their 3 main business units. These are vehicle sales and energy, auto insurance, and their Robotaxi network. By 2027, we estimate that they can make $50.2 billion of net profit, or $45 of earnings per share. At a 20 times price to earnings multiple, this would value the company at slightly over $1 trillion. As you can see, the Robotaxi network makes up $33.5 billion of net profit, or almost 70% of total net profit. The Tesla bull case is highly dependent on the Robotaxi network, which is also the most uncertain part of the business and has not yet been launched. Let's start off with the automobile business. Currently, Tesla makes the relatively lower price point Model 3 and Model Y. They also make the higher price point models S and X. But over the next few years, they plan to massively expand their lineup with the Tesla Roadster, Cybertruck, and Semi-Truck expected to launch in 2022, and the still unconfirmed Tesla Model 2 to begin deliveries in 2023. In 2020, they delivered 500,000 cars, with most of these being Model 3s. By 2027, we project that this will 10x to 5.3 million deliveries, with the vast majority of these being the lower price point Models 3, Y, and 2. Between their California and Shanghai gigafactories, Tesla currently has the capacity to create a little more than 1 million vehicles. But they also have the Berlin and Texas gigafactories, which will be operational soon. Musk also says that they plan to make a second gigafactory in Asia. While the exact location has not yet been confirmed, there is wide speculation that it will be in South Korea, which has highly developed automobile and battery industries. Keep in mind that 2027 is still 6 years away. Given Tesla's rapid growth historically, it's not a stretch that they could have 5 million cars worth of capacity by then. And if they can produce 5 million cars, there will almost certainly be enough demand to sell them. The Volkswagen Group sold 11 million cars in 2019. Under Elon Musk, the Tesla brand has become ubiquitous and demand has never been a problem for the company. Statista estimates Tesla to be the most valuable automobile brand in the world, worth roughly 6 times that of VW. Selling 5 million cars seems like a reasonable estimate, especially if they can deliver on the $25,000 Model 2. Next off is the energy division, which includes solar roofs, power walls, and industrial power pack batteries. The business is small today, only making up 6% of 2020 revenue. But Elon Musk says that this business will grow to be as big as the automobile business, or at least on the same order of magnitude. Perhaps the most interesting part of the energy business is the industrial power packs. As the world transitions to renewable energy, there will be tremendous demand for battery storage from utility companies. And at scale, this business can be incredibly profitable. For example, one of Tesla's first power pack projects in Australia cost $66 million to build and generated more than $20 million of revenue in the first year. With its operating costs likely minuscule, it could pay for itself in just 3 or 4 years. We estimate that the energy business will generate $20 billion of revenue in 2027 and make a 25% gross margin. The next major business area is Tesla Insurance. Tesla collects data in real time from the software embedded within their cars. They then apply machine learning algorithms to estimate the accident risk of each individual driver. This allows them to write profitable policies, while at the same time charging premiums 20 to 30% less than legacy insurance providers. Tesla Insurance is currently offered in California on a limited basis. Data scientists at Tesla are refining their algorithms and expect to launch nationally and internationally in the coming years. There are currently about 1 million Teslas on the road. This number will grow over time as they sell more cars. By 2027, we estimate that there will be about 16 million active Tesla cars. As they roll out the insurance offering to more jurisdictions, the number of insurance policies they can write will grow. Eventually, we think that 50% of all Teslas will be covered by Tesla Insurance. This reflects the superior rates that they can give to most customers based on their granular driving data. This will also give them industry-leading EBIT margins of 25%. EBIT stands for earnings before interest and taxes. By 2027, we estimate that their insurance business will contribute $2.3 billion to Tesla's net income. And now we'll move on to the most important part of their business, which is their proposed Robotaxi Network. As early as the end of this year, Tesla is expected to launch their network of autonomous robotaxis. Once full self-driving is complete and approved, they'll make a software update for existing Teslas already on the road. Tesla owners will be able to put their car on the network and generate passive ride-hailing revenue while they're at work or otherwise would not be using their car anyway. Tesla will generate revenue by taking a 25 to 30% cut of the ride-hailing transactions. A Tesla owner could potentially make back the cost of their car in 2 to 3 years, and ride-hailing revenue beyond that will be pure profit. It'll take a while for the Robotaxi network to get regulatory approval in all jurisdictions, but it's not a stretch to think that they can launch in some jurisdictions by the end of this year. Tesla will likely start off in more friendly jurisdictions, and after they build up a track record of safety, they can expand nationally. There are other competitors working on their own robotaxi networks. In the US, Waymo is the most notable competitor. In China, companies including Baidu and Didi are working on similar endeavors. But Tesla has a massive advantage over any of these players. Other companies have to build their fleet from scratch, which will cost tens if not hundreds of billions of dollars and take many years. On the other hand, there are already more than 1 million Teslas on the road. They can just flip a switch and turn all of those robotaxis on. The average Uber driver in the US makes $30,000 per year. A Tesla robotaxi could easily make at least this amount because the autonomous system will be more efficient than a human. We estimate that by 2027, there will be 16 million Teslas on the road, of which 35% will be integrated into the Robotaxi network. This means 5.5 million robotaxis. Each taxi will generate $30,000 of ride-hailing revenue per year. Tesla will take 30% of the cut of each transaction, which translates to $50 billion of revenue. Once the network is up and running, there will be almost no costs. We estimate 85% pre-tax margins. After taxes, this will generate $33.5 billion of net profit. If we combine all of these businesses additively, we get to $50 billion of net profit and a $1 trillion market cap. To have confidence in the bull case, there are 2 main things that you must believe. First, you must believe that Tesla can continue to grow and achieve 5 million annual deliveries. This is about what Ford produces today. More importantly, you must believe that they can successfully roll out their robotaxi network within the next few years. Tesla is the global leader in autonomous driving, and we already know that they will have the necessary technology. The bigger question is whether they can get regulatory approval. While Musk thinks that we will see fully autonomous Tesla taxis within a couple years, the timing is very difficult to actually predict. A $1 trillion market cap would value each Tesla share at $893, or 25% above the current share price at the time of recording this video. If Musk can deliver on his ambitions, then there could still be room to run with Tesla stock. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. Do you think that Tesla can reach a $1 trillion market cap? Let us know in the comments section below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Wall Street Millennial, signing out.